If you don't have the transfer bar, if you're looking to get one, watch this video and we'll show you how to install it. Welcome to New Tech. I'm Chuck Birch, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the transfer bars on the NTM gutter machine. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on installing the transfer bars and also show you how to use it. If you've received it, you're going to put these lanyards in these pins. You're going to screw them in right here with a screw, which they come with that. And you're going to come with 4 of these for each side, and then you're going to come with 2 of the transfer bars. To install the transfer bars, normally you like these pointing away so you can get the coil from one to the other one very easily. The nicest thing about the transfer bars is when they go on, you just hook them here and here. Then you're going to put the pin, install that one, install this one, and it gives it a nice, good secure. And also the nicest thing I like about them is it keeps this from racking and it makes it more secure. So we're going to go ahead and we've got them both installed, so I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's go ahead and open these up. Go ahead and open this one. I've already opened the one on the other side. And with a full coil on it, this will hold a full coil. So if you're a distributor or you're picking up a coil and you get it up to here and you need it back over here to rotate your coil, all you're going to do is pick these up and put it right up on here. It's got a nice pocket in it, and all you have to do is just roll it right along. And then once you get up here, you'll just tip it up and drop it right in. And that's using the transfer bars. If you want to learn more, click on our link right here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.